Where is it? Oh, uh-oh.
Hey, Daddy. I'm over here.
Do you hear it? There's Brianna looking for an egg.
No.
Nope. It talks to you and gives you clues.
I'm over here. I'm over here. I'm hiding. I'm hiding.
Do you see it? You hear it? Did you get distracted?
I'm hiding. I'm over here.
I hear it.
I'm over here.
Where is it?
I'm over here. I'm hiding.
It's hiding. Where is it? I can hear it. You're close. You found it! You want to open it?
No.
Oh, you just want to play again? Okay, I'll hide it. No peeking. No peeking. Okay. Where is it? Do you hear it?
I'm hiding.
We always look in the same place it was last time. Not in there. That's where it was last time. Listen. You hear it?
I'm hiding.
Where is it? Here, do you want me to move these? Here you go. And you can see we make a mess when we play this game. You found it! Yay! Are we gonna play again?